Hello everyone, I'm Christopher, and in this video we are going to go through the todomvc template and make a few customizations to it. So let's talk about the folder structure I have set up for this project. I have a CSS folder here which contains the CSS file of our to-do template, and also I have a JS folder which is going to contain the Vue.js file and another JS file where I'm going to write all my JavaScript code. So that is it for the folder structure. Now talking about the customizations, the first changes I would like us to make is to change the title of our document to Vue to do app. Let's save this, and next we are going to change the title of the app itself, this text over here. So let's change this one also to Vue to do app. Save. And the next thing we are going to do is to change the placeholder text of this input field here where we can enter the to-do text. So we are going to change the placeholder text, which is over here. So let's enter to do. Save. And now that is done. Then we go down and we are going to remove all these text that come with our filter buttons. So let's take out this text and leave the hashtag. We remove this text also. Save. And finally, what I want us to do is to go through the styling of the to-do template. So the first thing I want to point out here is every to-do item is basically a list. So this list we see here is the first to do, and the second list tag contains everything about the second to do item. Now we consider the first to do item has a strike through, meaning that that to do item is complete or has been completed, and it gets the styling by applying this CSS class. So once we take out this completed and save, we can see that our to-do item is no longer completed, or it does no longer have the first styling it had before. And when we place this class again and save, we can see that now it has a strike through styling. So let's take notice of that. Then another thing I want us to take notice of is the checkbox. So the only time the checkbox will be checked is if it has the word checked. And so when we take out this word here and save, we can see that our checkbox is no longer checked. Now if I come here and I paste the checked word we cut previously, we can see that now the second to do checkbox is checked. So that is how we get the checkbox to either be checked or unchecked. Again, if we want to put a certain to do item in edit mode, the list in which that to do item is must have the class of editing. Let's save this, and we can see that now the second to do item is in edit mode and we can change it. So let's take out that class again. And so basically those are the very few customizations I would like us to do for now, and we'll be doing the rest as we build the application. And I also like to say that if you like these type of videos, just click on that subscribe button because it helps me create more videos like this one. And I'd like to say thank you again, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.